My name is Dr. Jessica Ohlemacher. I'm an obstetrician and gynecologist at Complete Women's Care Center. I work at our Pearland office, which is really close to my hometown of Clear Lake. I studied at Texas A&M University, go Aggies, whoop! And I went to the University of Texas Health Science Center in San Antonio, where I earned my medical degree, and then came back to the Houston area for my residency at UT Houston at Herman Hospital. I live in the Pearland area, really close to my office, and live with my husband and my 2 children, and I'm very honored to be part of the community. I really enjoy the breadth of obstetrics and gynecology. I am very passionate about women's health. There's no greater honor than working with families on their fertility journey or delivering their baby. I got my robotics certification so that I could do minimally invasive surgery and help women to recover faster and do complicated surgeries with minimal scarring and improved healing times for them. And most recently, I've been certified by the Menopause Society to help provide women with perimenopausal and menopausal treatment. I went into obstetrics and gynecology because I have a true passion for taking care of women. Women wear many hats, have so many different roles. They take really good care of themselves, and it's a real pleasure to take care of a population that is making babies, having babies, and running companies and wearing all their hats as mom. I wanted to be in an office that is beautiful and welcoming and makes them feel comfortable. And here in our office, our staff greet patients by their name at the front desk. They help them and assist them in treating them like a sister or a friend. We try to make this be part of the community of Pearland. We have easy and accessible parking for our moms to unload strollers, or just for patients to hop in and out and get to their job quickly in the morning. I really look forward to taking care of patients, and I look forward to meeting you.